Hey, I'm Vivian with Blix. Today I'm going to show you how to install the fenders on your sole. Let's get to it.
Slide the fender through the fork above the front tire and line up the tab with a hole located at the top of the fork. Insert an M6 bolt and washer. Next, we will attach the struts to the front fender. Install the fender strut onto the clamp at the back of the fender with a 90-degree bend at the ends. Evenly tighten the bolts to clamp it in place. Insert the ends of the fender struts into the plastic tabs and install them into the eyelets on the fork. The front fender is now installed on the fork. Let's move on to the rear fender. Deflate the rear tire to allow easier access to the threaded inserts in the bike frame. Slide the fender around the rear wheel. Match the mounting slots on the fender up with the threaded holes on the frame. Install the hardware through the fender into the two threaded eyelets. Install the fender strut to the back of the fender and the ends of the struts into the plastic mounts. Then attach the plastic mounts onto the lower set of threaded eyelets at the back of the frame. Adjust the fender struts so they do not contact the tire. Alright, now your sole fenders are ready.